Hey, ever stared at your phone or laptop and thought, WTF is this thing actually doing? Good. You're in the right place. This is WTF Is, the channel where we break down the tech you use every day but never stop to question. Stuff like, what is 2FA and why should you care? How does tap to pay actually work? What's the deal with AI? And should you be scared? No jargon, no 20-minute lectures. Just simple, straight-up answers to big digital questions. Because tech shouldn't feel like magic. It should make sense. So if you've ever asked, WTF is blockchain? WTF is the cloud? WTF is going on with my privacy? Hit subscribe and let's figure it out together. New videos every week, fast, clear, occasionally funny, always WTF level honest. I'm Sam, and welcome to WTF Is.